Hello everyone. The last page for us to do. Yeah, we are there. This is the last page of work for us. So we are going to start at the top. Okay, we're going to start at the top today. So for number one, we want the desk. Desk. So let's look at the pictures. Which one is the desk? Which one is the desk? Yeah, this one is done for us. This is the desk. Desk. So we're going to draw a circle around the desk. Ready? Draw a circle around the desk. Oh, and this is our desk. And then we have the word for desk. 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 Okay, now it's our turn to do number two, okay? So we're going to do number two. For number two, we want 5. 5. Which picture is 5? Which one is 5? Yeah, very good. This one is 5. 5. So I want you to draw a circle around 5. Okay? Draw a circle around 5. Very good. Now we're going to write the word 5. Okay? One letter at a time. So get your pencil. We're going to start with our first letter, which is F. F. Ready? For F, we start here. Up, round, down to the bottom. And across the middle for F. Then we want I. For I, we start in the middle, down to the bottom, and a dot for I. Then we want V. Okay, V. So for V, watch for V. We start here and go down, up. Very good. And the last letter for 5 is E. We're going to write the letter E. We're going to start here and go across, up, round, down, and up for our E. Very good, okay? 5. 5. Yeah, this is the word for 5. Okay, now number 3, the last one, number 3. For number 3, which one is the ant? Ant. Where is the ant? Can you circle the ant? Circle the ant. Where is the ant? Yeah, this is the ant. So we are going to circle the ant. Ready? Circle the ant. Very good. Now we are going to write the word for ant, okay? The first letter for ant is A. So we're going to start with the letter A. Ready? We're going to go round like a circle, up and down for our A. Then we want N. For N, we're going to go down, up, round, and down. Very good. Then we want the letter T. T. For T, we're going to start here. We're going to go down to the bottom and across the middle. Excellent. Ant. Yeah, this is the word for ant. Very good. That bit is not easy for you, but good practice. Excellent. Now we go to the bottom, okay? This bit we have to draw the line. Draw the line from the letter to the picture, okay? Draw the line. So we will do the first one together, okay? So our first letter is C. C. Which picture begins with C? Which one begins with C? Which one for C? Yeah, it's done for us. It's our cookie. C is for cookie. Cookie. So we're going to draw the line. Draw the line to the cookie. Very good. Then from the cookie, which other one begins with C? Which picture begins with C? Which one for C? Yeah, it's the cat. Cat. Yeah, so we're going to draw the line from the cookie to the cat. Ready? Draw the line from the cookie to the cat. Very good. So we have our cookie, cat, and then back to the letter. So which letter for cat? Which one for cat? Which letter for cat? Yeah, it's our letter C. Our letter C for cat. So we're going to draw the line from the cat to the letter C. Ready? Excellent. Very good. Okay. One more time. Cookie. Cat. C. All of these begin with C. C for cookie, C for cat. They all begin with C. I want you to try and do H and L. Draw the line from the letter to the picture. Draw the line from the letter to the picture. And this side, draw the line from the letter to the picture. Okay, see how you do? Send me a picture when you have finished. Okay, practice today. Good work. That's it for today. Your last bit of practice before next week. See you again soon. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.